I do too.
Is the first jump
With the small group we acquired here for the 25, never get ready to provide all of them.
Tell me that doesn't look like fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, he jumped. That's so nice.
He spooked out, didn't he?
He spooked at the little thing.
Come up.
Yeah,
Get the lead out.
she's not going to jump in a straight line. She does.
It's only 9. It seems like she should have done. She's going worse. Not clean.
She's supposed to be going efficiently.
Good girl, Seaweed. 19 on the clock.
Woo, baby!
Well, he damn near went for a trot a couple times. Mickey will be happy.